Right now, our Entertainment Sentiment API is showing a notable uptick, a sentiment score of plus 0.51 and momentum of plus 0.49. This surge is particularly striking against the historical baseline, indicating a significant shift in how audiences are engaging with content. What you get from our API is a comprehensive analysis of current sentiment, including 19 semantic clusters that help you identify key themes driving this excitement. Imagine using this data to tailor your marketing strategy for a new film release. By pinpointing the specific emotions and topics that resonate right now, you can craft targeted campaigns that speak directly to your audience's interests. If you're ready to dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Your next breakthrough in understanding audience sentiment is just an API call away.